the sailing ship Elissa. Here at Beyel Brothers Barge Terminal, and they're about to set sail. When I came out this morning, I wasn't ready to pull out my gimbal and go walk on the thing, but I did get to briefly go walk on the ship. It's not every day you get a tall ship here in the port of Fort Pierce.
Square sails on her fore and her mainmast, and fore and aft sails on all three masts. 205 feet length overall, 19 sails, right now 32 crew.
Awesome. Can I take a walk around the deck? Does your insurance cover that or whatever?
I gotta talk to the captain.
Okay, sure.
Yeah, we'll just walk this way real quick.
Fantastic.
We're about to pull lines and start moving.
Aboard the sailing ship Elissa. Scottish bark built in Scotland. Not a replica?
Original.
Original.
148, 149 in October.
149 years old? Wow.
Yep.
That's amazing. And I take it she's also outfitted with a diesel engine?
Yes.
And what kind of engine does she pack?
Brand new 2025 John Deere.
Beautiful. So you need basically a computer technician to fix your sailing ship from time to time.
Yes.
Nice, nice.
Also 4i and 4. Oh shit. Let's get that firewall below as well.
I'm trying my best to stay out of the way.
It's hard to do on this boat.
And do you guys have a website?
Galveston250.com.
Galveston250.com.
And our Facebook page, Galveston Historical Foundation, or 1877 Elissa.
Awesome.
Watch your step over this line.
Hi. Well, thank you very much.
You're very welcome.
Appreciate you.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too. You too, buddy.
See you in a while.
You guys sail safe.
We'll see your drone anymore.
Oh yeah, you'll hear me and see me.